Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are able to understand how we will make double column cash book in subsidiary book. So before this, you should understand what is cash book. Cash book means we are recording all transactions related to the cash. So in this, as I said in this video, actually I will talk about two column cash book, and we have two sorts in double column cash book, that is cash book, one a cash book column and one will be discount. So in this video we are going to understand how the cash and bank or otherwise cash and discount. In discount column we have no, the discount column is two: debit side is discount allowed and credit side is discount received. So in this I will talk about the transaction, and when I will talk about triple column, that time we have cash, bank and discount. So first, in this what you will record? All the cash transaction in the cash column, and you will going to record in that discount column discount. And how I can define double column cash book? So I can say it is a book in which we record all the transaction we affect the cash and bank balance of the business. Because in discount column we are recording two things: trade discount and cash discount. Trade discount we are not recording, we are recording, okay, we have to ignore. We have to record only the cash discount. So we have two sorts of cash discount: discount allowed and discount received. The discount we are giving to the customer, or we are allowing to the customer, or we are, when we are getting the discount from the suppliers, that is discount received. So only in this we are not recording the trade discount, we are recording the cash discount. So in this, discount allowed and discount received. So first I should know the table. This is a T format, double column. What in this question, what I had done here, debit, and this is the credit. So this is the debit side. In this what I will write? Date, particular, ledger folio, discount allowed and cash. In this again, date, particular, ledger folio, discount and cash. So this side we are talking about your all received, and this side for the payment. Okay. So I have to record this. Now first, always you have to remember this. Now if I know the concept key discount column, I know here. So what I will do in the double column, if I will start that, in this I have no key how the cash we have to record, and how in the discount column we have to discount. And when we are making a discount column, that time we should not make a separate ledger. Okay. So now I will start with one thing, that is what? Now my transactions are there. Here all the transaction is written, and we have to record the transaction in two column cash book. So what is the first one? Started business with cash. Started business with cash means what? Cash to capital is a journal entry, because see, in this golden rule of accounting and accounting equation, both is also equally important, because the first transaction should be we have started business with cash, or in the starting the cash balance and the bank balance is that, so we can write two balance brought down in cash and bank column. So here if it is given what, started business with cash of rupees 50,000. So started business with cash rupees. So what I will write here? To capital. To capital and what? The cash. It is 50. Correct? Now here it is given per day paid for the purchase of furniture 1 lakh and equipment 12,500. What paid? What purchase to cash? Equipment to cash. That is my journal entry. So what I will write? Buy furniture. Buy furniture it is 10,000 and buy equipment it is 12,500 and the date is 3rd May. Correct? So I will pick here only those transactions which affect the cash and discount, or sometime I can do discount and bank. So those transactions I will pick that will be fitting here. Now the third is what? Paid insurance premium of rupees 1,000. So again what? Insurance to cash. So what I will do again? Buy insurance 1,000 in the cash column. Paid rent. What is the journal entry? Rent to cash. So again what I have to write? Buy rent and 1,500. Again purchase cash for rupees, goods 2,700. Again purchase to cash. So again buy purchase 2,700. Paid to Naren rupees 385 in full payment of rupees 400. So what they are talking about here? Ki paid to Naren 385 in full payment of 400. Means what is the total amount is here? 400. And we paid 385. Means what is that? We got what? We to pay. So what? We got discount of rupees 15. So what I will write here in discount column rupees 15 and 385 in the cash column, because full payment, because sometime if it is given properly ki discount paid to discount is 20 rupees and the amount paid is 380, so we can write separate, but here it is given full payment is 400, in that they paid 385, means what? 400 minus 385, so 15 rupees is your discount. Now next is drew cash for personal use. Personal use means it is a drawing to cash. So what I will do here? By drawing and amount. If it is purchased for the office use, then again bank and cash both is involved. So that will time we can write in a contra entry. So now that we will see in the next sum. Next is what? Receive cash from Amir rupees 12,000 in the full settlement of 12,500. I received cash from Amir. You got discount allowed and full settlement of 2,000 means 12,500 minus 12,500 is the discount and the amount is 12,000 full settlement. But how much you received cash? 12,000. So what I have to write here? To Amir, discount is allowed is 500 and 12,000 is the cash. Because full settlement was this, in that this is cash. So remaining is your what? Discount. Sold good for cash. Cash to sales. Again here I have to write what? To sales. The amount is 8,000. Purchase goods for cash 7,500 after trade discount of 500. So again what here I told about trade discount. Just I told trade discount. We are not writing. We are writing about only the cash discount here. In that also cash discount we are talking about discount allowed and discount received. So here what I would put for cash 7,500 after trade discount of 500. So what you have to write? Purchase to cash. So here only I have to write about the cash. So what I will write? By 7,500. Again here paid salary. Salary to cash. Because if it is given salary by check, so that time salary to bank. Paid salary. Here what? Paid salary means in the form of cash. So what I have to write? Salary to cash. That is my journal entry. Salary account debit to cash account. So here I have to write what? By salary 3,000. Correct? Now here bank loan taken 7,000. Bank loan taken 7,000 means it is directly what? Bank loan taken 7,000 means again what? I have to write again by bank loan. If I will take loan paid through account or something, that time it will be recording in the bank column. Okay, or interest on loan, some amount, interest of loan of 120 rupees. So that time directly it will deduct from the bank. So that time it will not record in the cash. That time we have to write to interest on loan and bank account, that entry will go. So now after that what I have to do here? If I enter that, so now after that I have to make a balance. Here in the discount column 500 and the total cash will be given. Here we have discount column, discount receipts, and here the whatever the payment thing, and here it is given total amount. Whatever the difference, here I have to calculate 77,000. Here the difference will be, that will be balance. Credit down 35, and then next month the starting will be, because it's the ending of the 30th May, so June 1st the balance brought down is this. So trade discount is not recorded in the cash book. That is very important. Only we are talking about the cash discount. Clear? So this is all about double column cash book. Thank you for